So some of the best videos that I made, to me personally, is videos where I help you guys out. I want to make sure that you save a ton of money and also to make sure that your vehicle works. This right here is going to be a video where I'm going to do basically both. I'm going to help you save a ton of money and try to find an extended warranty, and that's going to help make sure your vehicle stays working for the foreseeable future. Because some of you guys who bought like last call cars or 2022 cars or whatever, or 2021 cars, your factory warranty is basically about gone, depending on what year Mopar you have. And this video also applies for anyone who has a Ford vehicle. So with that in mind, when it comes to extended warranties, you gotta watch out where you go buy one from, because depending on where you go and grab one, that dealer might try to take you to town. So without further ado, I'll tell you guys about Granger Motors. Now, this video is not sponsored by Granger Motors. I just basically known them past several years of offering some of the best warranties that you can buy at the cheapest possible prices. So we're gonna get right into it in this video to help you save your very favorite Mopar car for the next foreseeable future. Okay, more 46,000 friends, and the 56% of you guys who watch these videos over and over again but don't want to subscribe yet, help a butter out as I try to get to my first milestone of 50,000 subscribers, because as you're helping me out in this video, I'm gonna help you guys out as well. Because Granger Motors, I basically got wind of them back about 4 or 5 years ago on the TRX forums, right? So I didn't buy a vehicle or warranty from them, but I've always seen them throw all these forum specials out year after year, month after month, about these great warranty deals that they offer for guys. So the one thing that I know from experience buying several Mopars myself is that whenever you go and buy a car, you always got the finance manager comes in and you always throw you this crazy, stupid, expensive number of what the actual extended warranty is going to be, and they try to throw it into your actual loan and stuff. And it's like, golly, like that loan goes up a lot of money. So to me personally, I would never buy an extended warranty from a dealer when you buy the car, because there's always going to be a way for those guys to sneak out as much money as they can from you. So you're just better off getting one from another party. And so that another party to me is Granger Motors, because Granger Motors always offers right around the same deal. It's either $25 from dealer cost, or sometimes $50 from dealer's cost. But from when I looked at in the forums recently, it's $25 over dealer cost for the actual warranty and stuff. So the beautiful thing about Granger is they go by the volume of actually getting these actual warranties for you guys, rather than trying to make the bank off of you on each individual one. So like I said, this is not sponsored by Granger Motors. I'm not affiliated with Granger Motors. I make $0 from doing this. But every time someone's asked me in the background over the past 5 years of who I would recommend they get a extended warranty from, I always tell them Granger Motors. Either go to their website or just hit them up on the forums. And I'm gonna show you guys right here why I say this. Now, me personally, I don't need a extended warranty for another, I think another 2 years. I'm good with my Demon 170. I'm only 1 year and some change in, because I got my Demon 170 around May of last year. So I'm only 1 year in since I bought my Demon 170. So I got another 2 years to put this off, but I'll probably get it done probably like next year or whatever, right? But some people are not really that lucky. So we're gonna go look at Granger Motors real quick. Okay, so let me put myself over in the corner. So like I said, here goes Granger Motors and stuff. So like I said, I'm not affiliated with Granger Motors. I make $0 off of them. I get no kickbacks from them. I just know them from personal experience over the past 5 years, and everyone who I've referred them to have always got a great deal from them. So if you look right here, this is right here on the Hellcat forums. Granger Motors is on a lot of forums. They're like in this forum. I think I see them in the Mustang forum. I think I see them in the Bronco forum, and I know they're on the TRX forum, but they literally have an account on all these forums. So one of the things that I tell people that, hey, look, if you go reach out to them on the forums and stuff, they give you like a back and forth communication through DMs and stuff. And so this right here is like a prime example, because I know for a fact that this deal for the financing is not listed on their website and stuff from what they was telling people. So if you just message them, you better get an actual financing offer and actually pay for these extended warranties over time. Now, they're going to basically offer you the regular genuine Mopar warranty, and it's going to be, like I said, $25 over dealer cost. And the beautiful thing about this is, even the warranty cost, let's say $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, whatever, you can spread out over 18 months. You can do a payment plan on that. And basically all they do is do 0% financing with 20% down over 18 months. So as I say right here in this forum post, it doesn't show on their website, but if you reach out to them They're gonna give you a quote and they're gonna basically let you guys know. Like I said, this right here is one of the best ways to get an extended warranty on your vehicle. That way you can keep your vehicles protected as long as possible. And there goes basically the email address right there. Usually what I tell people is the MVP at grangermotors.com, and there goes the website. And I know this is like a post for 2024, so let me go look at the latest post they made. You'll see that they always have plenty of information out there for you to pick which warranty that you need for your ride. So right here, they'll show you like all the information right here for the difference between the maximum care, the added care plus, the powertrain care plus, all the different warranty plans. They have all the information for it right here on the forums and stuff. So I'm not gonna really go into it and waste time in this video. I just basically want to give you guys the actual knowledge on where to go to find this information and stuff. So I'm right here on the Hellcat forums. All you do is basically type in like Granger Motors and they'll basically pop up and you can look at their account. So I'll probably in the description below, I'll leave a link to this actual forum post right here. So if you want to go to it, you can get to it. And I'll leave their actual email address in there too. And I'll say this again, I didn't make any money from Granger. I'm not affiliated with Granger. This is me trying to help you guys out because I love helping you guys out with saving a ton of money. And I gotta look and see where it says this, but I swear somewhere it showed on here. So I had to go out to the main forum, but yeah, there you go right there. Pre-owned extended warranties from Granger Motors. Pretty much we offer pre-owned extended warranties at $25 over dealer cost. The same coverage as the same it is for the new vehicle coverage. Qualified vehicle must be 2014 or newer and under 80,000 miles. And once your factory 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty runs out. And you must all pass an inspection. And I'm pretty sure I remember seeing on the TRX form, it said you got to pass an inspection from a dealer and stuff. So even if your warranty is run out because you have an older Mopar and stuff, you can still get a warranty on your vehicle and still save a ton of money. Because you can see right here, $699 Mopar Multi-Care Plus with the purchase of any extended warranty. And I mean, like I said, you can just typically see how they try to save you money anywhere they can, because it's saying right there it's $699. It's typically a $1,200 plus cost type plan and stuff. So depending on what you need for your Mopar, whether it's for Dodge or Jeep or Ram or Chrysler, or if you have a Ford product, there is a warranty for you through Granger Motors. So like I said, I'm just giving you this information just to help you guys out, because I know that it's kind of like a tough decision right now on what exactly you're going to do. Are you going to let your factory warranty run out and then run the risk of like, you know, having a problem with your car, and then next thing you know, it's like a big giant crazy bill? Because let's say, for example, you have a Demon 170. Well, not really Demon 170. Let's just say you have like a Hellcat from 2021, 2022. And let's say something goes wrong with the engine and you need an engine replacement, right? This bill right here is from a Demon 170. So you can imagine that if you need a whole new engine in your Red Eye or your Hellcat or your Super Stock or whatever, your replacement bill for that engine is going to be pretty similar. So maybe spending the money to have an extended warranty to protect you is a very smart investment, and having a very I guess low cost of entry and to get a warranty from Granger, I think it's pretty good. So like I said, if you don't have all the money up front, 20% down over 18 months, that's a pretty good deal to me. And me personally, like I said, I don't make any money from Granger. I'm not affiliated with Granger. Hell, I've only talked to them a handful of times over the past 5 years and stuff. But everyone I've always referred to them, they always love the fact they can get a warranty at the cheapest prices that they can basically find anywhere and stuff. So I'm just passing the information along, help you guys out. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. If you guys are going to be sticking around with your last call cars, is this the best way to keep protected while your factory warranty runs out? I can't think of any other better place to go and shop for factory warranty and stuff. So if you see somebody who needs a warranty in their car, always recommend them Granger. And like I said, it's MVP at grangermotors.com. And I'll leave information down in the description down below. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. And if you want to check out a video about, you know, some of the things might be coming from Mopar, you can check out this video right here. And until the next time, I'm out.